Good evening. You're tuned into Bizworld. The capital market can play a pivotal role by facilitating funding access to support the growth of sustainability-related investment products. Securities Commission SC Chairman Datuk Sri Awang Adik Husin said one of SC's key priorities is ensuring that the capital market is able to channel funds as well as capital towards meeting sustainability targets.
To do so, investors and lenders will require more transparent, comparable and reliable information from companies on their sustainability journey. This comparable data and information will allow investors to better price such risks and opportunities.
He added the International Sustainability Standards Board is developing a global baseline standard for sustainability disclosures, which is expected to be completed this month. From the emerging markets perspective, he also said Malaysian public listed companies should be ahead of the curve given their head start in sustainability reporting since 2015. The SC is currently working on guiding principles based on Maqasid al-Sharia, encompassing areas such as social finance, impact investing, as well as Islamic fund and wealth management. The People's Facility Initiative, IKR, with a 500 million ringgit fund, will inject much-needed boost to thousands of local contractors who faced various economic challenges. Malaysian Bumiputra Contractors Association, PKBM, also hopes the registration of new G1 contractors will be continued to meet the requirements of the new IKR projects.
Kita menyokong dasar kerajaan untuk menyelenggarakan atau memudahkan tata cara yang mana kita dipahamkan tidak melibatkan teknikal dan cara perolehan itu boleh disegerakan dan terus diberi kepada agensi pelaksana dan ini sangat mudahkan dari segi bayaran dan sebagainya lah. Tapi yang penting kita perlukan koordinator mestilah berdaftar dengan CIDB ya. Mesti ada dan juga autoriti lain.
He added registration of new G1 contractors will give graduates the opportunity to enter this field. It is also a good starting platform for young contractors to understand proper work execution procedures from the basic level. Moving on, Kenanga Investment Bank Berhad is cautious about Malaysia's trade outlook despite better-than-expected export growth in May. This as regaining positive growth in the coming months will be challenging. The investment bank said this is mainly due to the high base effect, especially in the third quarter this year, as well as expectations of a weaker global trade outlook and lower commodity prices amid the impact of monetary policy tightening in the advanced economies. Exports fell marginally in May at 0.7% year-on-year, compared to 17.6% in April, better than Kenanga's expectations of 16.4%. For month-on-month, exports rebounded sharply to a two-month high of 13.7% in May from 18.9% in April, following the steepest drop in the previous month. Now, industry experts concur that Malaysian organizations should prioritize cybersecurity investment in light of escalating cyber threats. Cybersecurity consulting company LGMS Berhad Executive Chairman Fong Chung Fook said investment in cybersecurity is now a critical imperative rather than just nice to have for organizations of all sizes in Malaysia. According to Fong, the cyber threat landscape has been evolving parallel to the pace of digital transformation, primarily due to its potential as a lucrative avenue for cyber criminals. The surge in ransomware cases and other cyber threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated, advanced, and even difficult to detect. He recommended that organizations continuously stay informed about the latest threats, implement robust monitoring systems, and develop a culture of cybersecurity awareness. Worldwide banking and investment services IT spending is forecast to rise 8.1% to $652 billion this year. Now, Gartner Incorporated said spending on software will see the largest growth, with an increase of 13.5% this year. It added that current economic headwinds have changed the context for technology investments in banking and investment services. Rather than cutting IT budgets, organizations are spending more on the types of technologies that generate significantly higher business outcomes. According to the firm's survey, banking and investment services will spend the largest amount of new or additional funding on cybersecurity, cloud, as well as data and analytics. That's all the time we have for Bizworld this time around. I'm Sabrina Zainal. Thank you for investing your time with us.